Indian Cybersecurity Solutions presents Hacker News. How AI and machine learning will shape software testing. Software testing can represent anywhere from 25 to 40% of a project's budget. It is an expensive process, but a necessity for ensuring software works correctly. Larger companies will have entire teams dedicated to testing, but for many smaller development teams, a large testing department is beyond the available budget. Meanwhile, market demands encourage rapid development phases, which leaves little time for adequate testing. Companies large and small are looking for ways to reduce costs and improve the scope and reliability of testing, all while delivering software that meets client expectations and deadlines. It is under these pressures that testers are increasingly turning to artificial intelligence and machine learning to augment their testing processes. New software is continuously being released and updated by engineering teams on the frontier of maturity and talent. The life cycle of software is increasingly shortening and becoming more complicated. The boom in the popularity and use of microservices, third-party APIs and other software packages leaves many developers building software with hundreds of different dependencies, all of which need to be tested. Where software releases used to happen once a month, leading engineering teams release dozens of times per day. For every new feature that is added or altered, rigorous testing must be carried out on it to make sure it's ready for consumers. Popular development methodologies now favor pushing small, frequent updates, which puts additional strain on the testing process. There is a struggle in software development between the competing pressures of developing software and meeting deadlines. Developers need to meet milestones and deadlines set by clients and executives, all while still delivering quality software. Automation is a very familiar topic to developers, so it's no surprise that the advances in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are now being applied to software testing to improve the pace, accuracy, and cost of testing these complex releases. Advancements in AI and ML look set to increase the variety of tasks that can be automated and reduce the time it takes to complete them, by prioritizing them, dynamically resourcing them, and running them in parallel.